two top insurance companies face off, one big question: which one really delivers? On one side, we have State Farm, famous for its personalized service. On the other, Travelers, known for its flexible coverage options. Let's skip the marketing slogans and look at what truly matters. We'll break things down category by category, giving points along the way so you can see who comes out ahead, and you might be surprised by the final outcome. Alright, here's the game plan. We're gonna size up these two across a bunch of categories: price, customer service, coverage options, digital experience, and of course, financial strength. Think of it like a mind map. Each one of these sections is key to figuring out what really matters to you. Let's kick things off with price. First up, State Farm. Now they've got discounts, tons of M actually, and if you have a local agent, they might just help you snag a good deal. But not gonna lie, sometimes those rates are kinda higher than what you'd expect, especially depending on where you live. Then there's Travelers. And honestly, their base rates are usually pretty competitive, plus, the discount game is strong, especially if you're bundling. The catch: some of those juicy discounts have eligibility hoops you gotta jump through. So, if saving is absolutely your thing, Travelers slides ahead here. Now let's talk customer service. State Farm is the boss when it comes to having local agents. It's practically their whole brand. If you like dealing with real people face to face, their service scores are like off the charts. But yeah, the experience can depend a lot on which agent you get. Moving over to Travelers, they're good for sure. Solid digital tools, 24/7 claims, all that. But you will hear folks gripe about claims sometimes, so it's kind of a mixed bag. This one, State Farm nails it for that personal touch. On to coverage options. State Farm's got the basics covered and they're rock solid if you just want standard policies, plus a couple nice extras like rideshare and rental add-ons. But if you want to get kinda, fancy, Travelers is where it gets wild. We're talking super customizable policies, accident forgiveness, gap coverage, new car replacement, the list keeps going. It can be a lot to sort through, sure, but Travelers is basically the menu with the most options. If you want custom, it's the winner here. Quick breather: did you know State Farm is the biggest car insurer in the US? And Travelers, they've been around since 1853, that's a lot of insurance history. Mobile apps, online dashboards, we all live on our phones, right? State Farm honestly crushes it. Their mobile app is top-rated, like people actually rave about how easy it is. Managing your account online is a breeze. The only downside: for some stuff you'll still need to call your agent. Travelers, they've got a sleek website, digital claims, all the basics, but their app not quite as loved as State Farm. So for digital experience, State Farm walks away with it. And last but not least, financial strength. This is that will they be there when I need them stuff. Both of these companies are absolute titans, A++ ratings from AM Best, meaning top-tier stability. State Farm's got the size, Travelers has been around since the actual 1850s, crazy, right? But honestly, you can't go wrong with either, so we're calling it a tie. Let's line up all those scores visually. State Farm really shines in customer service and digital experience, while Travelers pulls ahead in price and coverage flexibility. And on financial strength, they're both basically bulletproof. So my honest take: if having someone local to talk to and an easy-to-use app are super important for you, State Farm is probably your move. But if you want customizable coverage and you love scoring discounts, especially if you qualify for those trickier ones, then Travelers is the way to go. Hey, if this walkthrough made things clearer, let us know. Don't forget to follow for more no-nonsense insurance guides.